We are told the Great Pyramid is a tomb built by an agrarian society using primitive copper tools. To complete the structure in the accepted 20-year timeline, those builders had to quarry, transport, and align one massive stone block every 5 minutes, day and night, non-stop. Inside this 6 million-ton structure, archaeologists have never found a single mummy or even a trace of soot from a torch. The pyramid was initially encased in 144,000 highly polished Tora limestone blocks, fitted with optical precision. These stones contain high levels of magnesium and almost zero metallic content. In electrical engineering, this specific composition makes the outer shell of the pyramid a massive dielectric insulator, preventing energy from grounding out into the atmosphere. Inside that protective insulator are the 2.3 million core blocks. They are composed of highly porous nummulitic limestone. Because of its porosity, this stone absorbs and retains groundwater from the bedrock through capillary action. This high moisture content, rich in dissolved mineral salts, turns the massive interior volume of the pyramid into an excellent electrical conductor. With a conductive core wrapped in a flawless, magnesium-rich insulator, the Great Pyramid mimics the architecture of a multi-gigawatt capacitor. Every material required for a massive, solid-state energy storage system is already in place. The process begins deep underground, where the structure is positioned over subterranean water channels. These channels functioned as a hydraulic ram pump, capturing the Earth's natural 7.83 Hz Schumann resonance and sending continuous acoustic shock waves up through the bedrock. These vibrations enter the Grand Gallery. Its narrowing geometry acts as a macroscopic Helmholtz resonator, amplifying the planet's hum into a standing wave. Along the ramp, 27 structural niches function as a diffraction grating, filtering chaotic noise to tune a pure 110 Hz frequency. While the gallery tunes sound, the Queen's chamber below processes chemical fuel. In 2002, a robotic rover explored the sealed shafts leading into this room and documented heavy chemical staining and copper fittings acting as electrical contacts. Forensic analysis suggests the builders pumped dilute hydrochloric acid down one shaft and hydrated zinc down the other. When these chemicals meet in the chamber, they react to synthesize a continuous supply of pure hydrogen gas. Because hydrogen is the lightest element, it floats upward through the tuned Grand Gallery and into the upper chambers, flooding the engine room with both mechanical vibration and volatile fuel. Energy converges in the King's Chamber. This room is constructed entirely from 70-ton blocks of red Aswan granite. This granite is 55% quartz crystal. When 110 Hz acoustic radiate, mechanical stress alters the lattice, generating a high-voltage piezoelectric charge. This charge ionizes the chamber's hydrogen, creating a superheated plasma orb stabilized by the continuous standing sound waves. The shafts in this chamber are perfectly aligned to capture ambient cosmic microwave radiation, specifically the 21-centimeter hydrogen line. As this radiation strikes the electrically charged, intensely vibrating hydrogen plasma, it triggers the process of stimulated emission. The Great Pyramid is a massive, solid-state maser. Amplifying cosmic radiation through energized hydrogen, it fires a concentrated microwave beam from the southern shaft. From the magnesium in the hull to the piezoelectric quartz core, every material and geometric choice was a functional requirement for high-energy microwave generation. The Great Pyramid was the central node of a planetary network of sites built at nexuses of telluric currents. These structures were designed to tap into and stabilize the Earth's natural energetic frequencies. In 1901, Nikola Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower attempted to utilize this exact physics. Tesla's design used the Earth's natural conductivity and ionospheric resonance to transmit electrical power wirelessly, mirroring the ancient Giza grid. When elite financiers realized Tesla could provide unmetered, decentralized power to the entire planet, they severed his funding and allowed his patents to be seized. The true physics of the pyramids and the zero-point field have been suppressed for over a century to protect the global energy monopoly. The ruins at Giza are a 6 million-ton fossil of a forgotten future. They stand as evidence that human history is a long descent from a high-tech past we are only now beginning to remember.